welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be stuffing sinking funds, and we are going to be stuffing $1,035.69. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are watching this and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to go ahead and click that red subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. And if you've been with me for this long, thank you, and I appreciate you for coming back. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so as I said, we are going to be stuffing $1,035.69. Now, this $1,000 came from my cashback that I got from my personal Chase credit card from January 1st, 2020 up until December 31st, 2020. And I just decided to cash out this month in January. So my husband and I, we are credit card users. We absolutely love using credit cards. I have 4 Chase credit cards. I have 3 business Chase credit cards, and then I have 1 personal Chase credit card. For my personal Chase credit card, I have the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and I absolutely love it. We've been with Chase for a while, credit card wise, and we haven't had any issues. I don't bank with Chase or anything. We just have credit cards. We've been with them for a long time, and we haven't had any issues. I absolutely love them. I will have a link in the description box below, linking the credit card that I use, just in case you guys are looking for a credit card to get or something. I will have the link in the description box below. But anyway, from January 1st, 2020 up until December 31st, 2020, I wanted to save all of my cash back, not use any of it. So I recently cashed out and I got this deposited into my bank account, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and stuff some sinking funds so that I can get to my goals a little bit quicker. Now, let me know, do you guys like credit cards? Do you have any credit cards? Because I know there are quite a few people who aren't too fond of credit cards. So let me know in the description box below if you guys use credit cards, what company you use, and let me know what credit cards you have. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my little travel fund right here, because with this 69 cents right here, I am going to be going ahead and depositing this into my little change jar. So I went ahead and put that in there. And so we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds today. So we're going to go ahead and get started, you guys. So here is the first sinking fund binder. And we are going to start with birthday. So what I'm going to do is, so birthday already has some money in here, and then I have my slip right here letting me know how much I'm at right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this slip out off camera. And so once I deposited into these envelopes today, I'm not going to count the money today. What I'm going to do is at the end of the month of January, I'm going to do a separate video counting my sinking funds and seeing how much I have. But I'm already going to have the date and how much I deposited. I'm just not going to write on this paper right here how much I have. I'm going to do that at the end of the month. So that'll be a video for that. So that's something that I'm probably going to do at the end of each month. So today, birthday is going to be getting $200. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 50s. So we have 51, 52. So birthday is getting $200 today. Next up, we have Christmas. And then for Christmas, we are going to do $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so Christmas is going to be getting 100 today. Next up, we are going to do homeschool, and homeschool is going to be getting $50. So we have 20, 40, and 50. I'm sorry, this is not homeschool. This is actually Valentine's Day. So homeschool is right here. I need to actually take the money out of my Valentine's envelope because we have already reached our goal for that. And then next up we have YouTube, and today YouTube is going to be getting 50. So 20, 40, 50. And then next up we have giveaway. Today giveaway is going to be getting $60, and as you guys may have noticed, I have been stuffing a nice amount into my giveaway because I am on my road to 5,000 subscribers, and I plan to do a big giveaway once I reach that goal. So giveaway is getting 60 this week. So we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And then the next is car maintenance. So we are going to stuff car maintenance with $200. So we're going to grab 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, and 300. So car maintenance is getting, I'm sorry, 200. So car maintenance has $200. 50, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. So 200 for car maintenance today. And then for car registration is going to be getting $50 today. So we're going to do 20, 30, 40, and 50 for car registration. And then next up we have I'm sorry. Oh no, so I messed up somewhere, you guys. Okay, so car maintenance got, wait, car maintenance got 200. Did I stuff an envelope incorrectly? Hold on, guys. So car maintenance, let's see. Car maintenance should have gotten $200. Oh, okay, so I actually put that $50 inside with the car maintenance. So car maintenance, I gave it an extra 50. So car maintenance has its 200, and then now car registration has 50. I was like, wait a minute, I know I messed up somewhere. Okay, so after car maintenance we have YouTube taxes, and today YouTube taxes is going to be getting $50. So we're going to do two 20s and a 10. So 20, 40, and 50 for YouTube taxes. And then last but not least, so I didn't have this in my last sinking fund video, nor did I have it in my first sinking fund video, but I completely forgot, you guys, all about my cell phone bill. So my cell phone bill only costs me $500 a year, and so what I like to do is I like to pay that up in full. One thing about my husband and I, we do not like having high monthly expenses. We try to keep our expenses as low as possible. So whatever we can pay up in advance, that is what we do. So for my cell phone, today we are going to be stuffing it with $50. And I'm going to go ahead and get 10 $5 bills. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. I need to make these bills shorter, that way my envelopes aren't as stuffed. So this is everything in this sinking fund binder right here. And oh, I got my phone in here, y'all. So this is everything for this sinking fund binder. So now we're going to go ahead and move on over to our second sinking fund binder. So for this binder right here, first up we have Shania, and this is my daughter's savings. So we're going to be stuffing her envelope with $25, and it's going to be $25 in ones. Yes, you guys, I know that I need to shorten this up, and I will get to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So I am going to be working on getting these bills, so that exchanging out these bills so that these envelopes aren't as full. So $25 in my daughter's savings, and then my son Quantus Jr., he is also going to be getting $25 today. So we're going to give him 21s and then 1 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and then 25. And then next up we have mommy's savings, which is mine, and today I'm going to be getting $35. So 20, 10, and 5. $35 for me. Next up is daddy, my husband. He is also going to be getting $35. So 20, 30, and 5. And then lastly, we have right here vacation, and today vacation is going to be stuffed with $105. So we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, and $105. So vacation is getting $105. And again, you guys, like I said, at the end of the month, I am going to come and I'm going to count all of this money, and we're going to see how much we have in our sinking fund binders. I'm going to go ahead and write down the dates and how much I stuffed each one with. I'm going to do that off camera. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to let me know what kind of credit cards you guys have. And that's going to be it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.